Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shannon. Welcome back to my channel, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new iPhone XR. Well, it's kind of an older iPhone now, a couple years now, but it's new to me. I am upgrading from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone XR. So we're going to just take a little look around the box. And there's all the information on the back. It is the black version, 64 gigabytes, and it is unlocked, so I can use it with any carrier of my choice. All I got to do is just pop in my SIM card. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box. It's a little bit of a challenge to do this one-handed, even though they do make it quite simple. There we go. Just get this plastic off of here. And you might notice that the box looks a lot thinner because, well, Apple has decided to cheapen your experience, but not really lower the price of your phone, if that makes any sense. But anyway, here's the iPhone XR, the black version, obviously. And we will get that out of there. And we will see what else we get in the box, which is a USB-C to Lightning connector and the paperwork with a little Apple sticker inside. And I'm, not going to worry too much about taking that out. You get the gist. And that is it. We no longer get headphones or a power brick. You have to buy those separate now. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out this phone. And there it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. I'm out of here.